passage of time. Snowflakes fall in perfect mime. Crystal trees hum a silent tune beneath the gaze of an icy moon. Winter sings a frozen rhyme. Hearts keep warm as bells chime. In the stillness, secrets grow, buried deep beneath the snow. The sky wears a coat of gray. Footprints fade and drift away. Winds are whispers, cold and fleet, dancing soft on every street. Firelight flickers, shadows play, dreams awaken in the fray. Through the chill, the world transforms, a fleeting season wrapped in storms. Winter sings a frozen rhyme. Hearts keep warm as bells chime. In the stillness, secrets grow, buried deep beneath the snow. The snowfall starts to fade. Memories of winter gray. The wind leaves, it will return in frozen whispers we discern. Outlash red as the sun whispers low. Love in the sky where the soft winds blow. Each star's a secret we didn't let go. Together we rise where hearts overflow. We float in the air like a boundless balloon, dancing with shadows under the moon. Love in the sky where dreams call tune. Endless horizons, our sweet cocoon. Raindrops trace the laughter we've shared. Through the mist our souls bear. Every moment balanced, perfectly paired. A love so light it can't be ensnared. Through storms we soar, our wings never fold. Through silver clouds and sunsets of gold, the sky won't